Hey guys! So today is Wednesday. Yesterday I went to the beach with my friends and came back here and hung out in the pool. It was a really fun time. I'm gonna pick you up. Hold on. So, hi! Today I'm going to go shopping with my friend Mo. I'm going to the Keys. I leave Saturday, so I'm getting a couple last minute things. I ordered a couple things online, and I'm super excited because this is my second vacation of the summer, and I haven't been to the Keys in a year, and I miss it. I love it there. If I could live there, I would. So anyway, the plan for today is to go shopping, get a couple things that I need, maybe some flip-flops because my ones that I'm wearing right now, they're like kind of torn, so I need some new ones. So that's the plan, is to go shopping, maybe find some dresses because I've been really wanting some like summery flowy dresses. I'm usually not a dress person, but I kind of want to indulge myself a little bit this summer, so we'll see. I got a couple things that I need to return, so I'm going to stop there as well. So it's kind of a shopping trip today. I'm going to go inside, I'm going to have some brunch, and I'll see you guys when Mo gets here. Hey guys! So I just got back from my shopping like a little bit ago. I am currently about to go ahead and do a workout. Earlier I was watching Bridgerton, and I watched all of season 1 before, like a couple years ago, whenever it came out, and then didn't watch season 2, and now all of season 3 is out, so I've decided to watch season 2, and I started it yesterday, and I'm on the last episode right now, so I'm like, let me just do a little break and go ahead and go outside and work out. It looks like it's gonna rain here soon, so I'm just gonna do a quick 30 minutes to an hour workout, and then call it a day, take a shower, and all that fun stuff. I will talk to you guys later about what I ended up buying and if I intend on going shopping again. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm done working out. Hey guys! The plan for today is kind of just pack, do some laundry, get some stuff around the house done. We just don't have any food at the house right now, so I am gonna go head out, eat something, come back, do some chores, and that's pretty much like the plan. I was thinking of going, it just got bright out like today, like it's been gloomy pretty much all day, and now the sun's out, which is super nice. So maybe I'll bask in the sun for a little bit, but I'm not sure. I was thinking about going to the beach later. I think I said this the other day. I was thinking about going to take pictures and stuff. And I might push that to tomorrow, but we'll see how today goes. If it doesn't look good, then I probably won't go. But if tomorrow is better for me, I will probably go then. So, I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys whenever I feel like talking or vlogging. Hey guys, so I just got back a little bit ago from having lunch. I had Chick-fil-A. I just wanted something kind of simple, easy. We're supposed to go grocery shopping tomorrow. I'm doing laundry right now. Just kind of getting prepared for the Keys. We're going to be staying in Marathon again this year, so I'm super excited. We didn't get to go last year, so I don't know, this summer, like since I got back from my Tennessee, Georgia trip, I've just kind of been like off with my sleeping habits. Like I used to get up at like 9 something, maybe 8, but since I got back, I've just kind of been lazy, and I guess it's kind of like the summer effect, so I haven't been waking up till almost 10:30. I've just been tired, but I'll stay up late. So that's my latest dilemma. Last night I finished the 2nd season of Bridgerton, so I might start the 3rd season today. It really sucks that it's only like 8 episodes. They're an hour long each, but it's only 8 episodes, so. Today hasn't been very eventful. I've just, I've been trying to pack up for the Keys. I have started a load of laundry. I'm gonna have to start another load. I'm currently working on like trying to decide what clothes to bring because I'm a chronic overpacker. So I always overplan things and I don't know when to not bring things. So I just started packing an Amazon package with a shirt that I ordered, so I'll show you guys what that looks like. And I have another package that's supposed to come today, another swimsuit, so hopefully I'll be able to show you guys all of that when I'm done. Little unboxing for you. Just do the package now. Okay. That's always nice. Small package and even smaller package. Okay, so I got this cute little top off Amazon. It's been on my like list for a really long time, but I decided just to get it because I was like, oh, I'm going on vacation and I need another beachy type shirt. So okay, so this is gonna look so ridiculous because it's so tiny. This is a shirt. It's kind of like, I think it's called a halter top, but it like ties up this way and then flares out this way. And yeah, it's a crop top. It's super cute. So yeah, that's that one. And I should be getting, I got an update on my tracking app for my bathing suit that's coming in. Got an update that it's out for delivery today, so I should have that. And then I'll just show you guys a couple of the bikinis I'm taking with me. So I'm taking this one. These first two are by Jimmy Swim. This is the bottoms for one of them. And this is the top. I think this is called their naranja top. But it just kind of reminds me of like Italy or like going out of town somewhere like in Europe. So here's this one. And then I also got this top. This is one of their new tops. And I have bought 2 bikinis with them. I actually have a code with Jimmy Swim, so if you guys want to go on there and buy something, you can use my code and it'll be on the screen and you can just save some money off. Anyway, but they gave me some earrings. Which those are super cute. And then this bathing suit that I got from them, it's called the Mother of Pearl. And they have like gold and pearl accents to them, which is super cute. So that's the front, a little blue and white. Here's the top. Yeah. Anyway, you can kind of tell what I'm talking about with the gold accents. And then I bought this other bikini the other day with Mo, and it's by Salty Crew, and it's kind of reversible. It has arrived.